Hello YouTube, this is Daddy and Carl again today. Carl's a bit bored today, so
no, I'm not now.
And we're just going to do a Turbopower one, because we always put a little bit of dirt on, so we've decided that we're going to use the Turbopower Freedom with the perma bag, with the notorious perma bag.
Down all the way.
Well, you have to pull it again down again, and it goes down.
It's not going down.
Oh, don't matter about that.
It's post.
Yeah, it does go down.
Yeah.
So anyway, back to the video. We've got a load of Cocoa Pops and a little bit of bits and bobs on the floor to see what happens to it. Go on then.
It's on the lowest side.
Yeah, because you got on high power. Alright. Yeah, because it's a little bit stiff. Do it up a bit.
Yeah.
Right then.
We'll need to get that. And that.
going to empty the perma bag now. So go dust it up to the light.
No.
See how dusty it is, look. This is how good the perma bag is, look. Oh, I'll have to use some modern technique. Apparently you could get a bag conversion for this one. And I think really it was a bit of a bad design in general, wasn't it, this one? Yep. They had the right idea of making it like so you could empty it.
Yeah. That's how much it went in the shoe works.
So that's how much has come out of that filter, and that was just cocoa pop.
Look, and that's how much went in the bin.
And that's how much went in the bin.
I'm going to shake the filter off.
Well, it looks like I'll have to use some modern technology now to finish this mass test up.
Just going to tap it all in the saw.
Alright, don't break that one. And that is a brand new filter as well in there. So we can't blame the filtration for it. So what do you say now?
This is a test of the outdoor water system.
See, it's shredded up to dust, look. That's the advantage over a dirty fan style pickup. It actually shreds it down to nothing. So what do you say now? Bye for now.
No! I've got to shut that pile up.
And please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8. Bye. Well, you have to use a Dyson then, mate.